This video wasn't on my to-do list, but I felt prompted to make it. I want to talk about doubt. When you're learning to crochet, you doubt yourself. Maybe this isn't for me. I'm really bad at this. Maybe I won't ever get good at this. Maybe I should just stop now. And so you've got all these thoughts and these things that can keep you from pick up a new hobby that can be really rewarding. The first thing that I want to share is how to recognize it, because sometimes we hear these voices and we think it's ourselves. We think these are our own thoughts and we think these things are just normal. Sometimes we may even think that these thoughts are warning signs to keep us from failure. And so what are these things? What are these voices and ideas and thoughts that I'm talking about? They're mostly internal thoughts, I guess is the best way to describe them. And they might sound like some of the examples that I've given you already. There are tons and tons of things that you can tell yourself, but maybe you're not telling yourself. These mind thoughts may not always be yours. You see, I'm a believer in Jesus Christ, and that means that I believe what the Bible says is true. And in there, we have been told that there is a battle to take over the mind of all the different people that are here on this earth. And what things you entertain into your mind usually reflect itself by your actions and what you do. It also affects how you think about yourself, how you feel about yourself. The devil comes to kill, steal, and destroy. And if he can destroy your mind and he can destroy you from what you are meant to do, then he might feel like he's going to win. But I can tell you, he's already been defeated. So after you've recognized the doubt, you can start to question whether or not this is really coming from you. Are you really having these thoughts? Using your own judgment on these thoughts that come in. Why is this thought coming to mind? Why is this something that I'm thinking? Should I even bother entertaining this? Is this something that I need to investigate? So let me give you an example. If you watched that video, I kind of shared a little bit about my story and why I started this crochet business. And I know this video didn't start off like a crochet video, but just hang in there with me. Ever since I decided to move forward with that, it's been challenging. There's been one thing after another, and it's just something that I feel that I had to learn. I had to learn to overcome these challenges by finding solutions. And so after you've recognized them, like I said, you can challenge them. Why is this coming up? Is it keeping me or from doing what I need to do? Or is it warning me? Different doubts come to your life at different times and different stages to derail you. That's why I wanted to make this video, because I feel like in today, what's going on, there's probably a lot of that circulating. Don't let those things stop you. So again, recognize that doubt. Number 2, question that doubt. And then number 3, pray and take action. What I've learned about prayer is that you first start with thanksgiving. You want to first start with being thankful and thanking God for what He has given you. And this is something that can be really difficult when you're being slammed with doubt, because you might feel like there's nothing to be thankful for. But I'm going to tell you, there's always something to be thankful for. And the action part is not always easy, because that doubt, I think it's ongoing. You may overcome it for a little while and then hit a roadblock and it creeps back in again. As you learn new things in learning how to crochet amigurumi, I think this happens all the time. You learn the stitches. You learn how to crochet in rounds. You start your first project. You finish your first project. And then you kind of look at it and go, it doesn't look like the picture. It doesn't look like what was in the pattern. And you start to doubt. I hope this all kind of ties together with recognizing doubt and how it affects crocheters, and then how it just affects us as people in general. If you're feeling like there's been a lot of doubt coming to you lately, I hope that you will recognize it, that you will question it, and that you will pray about it and take action to overcome it. We were created and designed to be above all that. If that's what we were meant to do, then let's do it. When I go back to edit all this, I probably rambled quite a bit. And I hope that when I put everything together, the message is clear. Recognize doubt, understand where it's coming from, and then overcome it. Overcome it through prayer and taking action. That's going to be it for now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more. Thanks for watching.